In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the camera on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're getting ready for a meeting, a virtual event, or simply want to just check in with friends and colleagues, having your camera working seamlessly is crucial. So, let's dive in and make sure you can see and be seen in Microsoft Teams without any hiccups. First off, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. If you don't have the app installed, this is a great way to access the platform directly through your browser. Once you're on the website, look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to sign in. You'll need to use your Microsoft account credentials for this. So, enter your email and password and you'll be logged into Microsoft Teams. Having access to your account is essential because all camera settings that will adjust are tied to your profile on Teams. Once you've signed in, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. This is a crucial step as it will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Click on those dots and from the list that appears, select Settings. Entering the settings is where the magic happens in resolving your camera issues. Once you're in the settings area, navigate to the Devices section. This is where you'll find all the hardware-related settings for Microsoft Teams. By accessing this section, you'll have the opportunity to tweak and adjust the various devices you might be using with Teams, including speakers, microphones, and, importantly, your camera. Next, find and click on the Video tab. This takes you right to the setting dedicated to your camera. Here, you can make sure everything is configured properly to allow smooth video streaming. The final step is crucial. Make sure you have selected the correct camera. If you have more than one camera attached to your device, like a built-in camera and an external webcam, verify that you've chosen the right one. Selecting the correct camera ensures that you're visible and the quality is optimal during your calls. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the settings of Microsoft Teams to fix any issues you might have been encountering with your camera. If this process doesn't resolve your camera problems, it might be worth checking the physical connections or your system preferences for camera permissions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide has been helpful. See you in the next video.